Have you ever imagined a future filled with flying cars, mind-reading devices, and robots living among us? What if I told you that the future isn't coming? It's already here. Today, on Flinto File, I'm uncovering 10 real-life technologies that prove the future has already arrived. These aren't science fiction. They exist right now, and they're changing our world in ways you won't believe. Let's dive in. First up, flying taxis. That's right, flying taxis are no longer just a fantasy. Companies like Volocopter and Joby Aviation have already tested electric air taxis that could soon transport people across cities in minutes. Imagine skipping gridlock in a personal flying vehicle. It's closer than you think. Mind-controlled devices are next on my list, and honestly, this one blows my mind. Neural implants like Elon Musk's Neuralink are making it possible to control computers with your thoughts. Scientists are developing technology where people with paralysis can move robotic limbs using just their minds. The human-machine connection is becoming a reality, and it's only getting more advanced. Robot surgeons. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but robot-assisted surgeries are already saving lives. These machines can perform precise operations with minimal human involvement, reducing recovery times and surgical risks. They're the future of medicine, and the crazy part is, they're working in hospitals today. Now let's talk about smart contact lenses. Tech companies are developing contact lenses that can project digital information directly onto your vision. Imagine checking messages, navigating maps, or even recording videos all through your eyes. It's like having a smartphone built right into your body. Artificial intelligence artists are a thing, and they're making waves. AI is now creating music, paintings, and even writing books. Some AI-generated art pieces have sold for thousands of dollars. Machines are becoming creative, blurring the line between human and artificial talent. 3D printed organs are up next, and yes, you heard that right. 3D printing isn't just for plastic models anymore. Scientists are printing real working organs like hearts and kidneys, potentially solving the global organ shortage crisis. The future of medicine might literally be printed, now self-healing materials. Researchers have developed materials that can repair themselves when damaged, just like human skin. This could revolutionize industries, from smartphones that fix their own cracks to buildings that heal after natural disasters. The possibilities are wild. Quantum computers are already operational in research labs worldwide. They can solve complex problems millions of times faster than today's supercomputers. Soon, quantum computing might revolutionize everything from medicine to security to climate modeling. It's not just hype, it's happening. Hyperloop Transportation. Elon Musk's Hyperloop promises to transport people at over 700 miles per hour in vacuum tubes. Prototypes are being tested around the world, and if it works, hours-long trips could shrink down to minutes. The next transportation revolution could be right around the corner. And finally, humanoid robots. Robots that walk, talk, and even show emotions are now a reality. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Hanson Robotics are creating robots that could soon become part of our everyday lives, whether it's helping out at home or working alongside us. So, the future isn't waiting. It's already here. Which of these technologies amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flinto File for more mind-blowing content.